and Freddie Mac will make controversial changes to loan fees on May 1st that will offer discounted rates for home buyers that have riskier credit backgrounds at the expense of those with good credit and larger down payments. It's Friday, April 21st, 2023. Happy Earth Day weekend. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market. This controversial loan fee change, known as loan level price adjustment, appears to penalize those with good credit between 680 and 780, and those with larger down payments between 15% to 20%. Come August 1st, another controversial hit to those same better borrowers will come in the form of the debt-to-income fee assessments. While these fees are designed to level out the playing field to help the first-time homebuyers and low-income borrowers, it appears to be at the expense of others who have worked towards having good credit and saving for a down payment. If you are planning to use Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac purchase money to buy a home after May 1st, discuss this impact with your loan officer and visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com/mortgage for more information. First-time homebuyers are still encountering a very competitive market as the inventory available remains at a 20-year low. Homes coming soon fell this week to 972. 746 homes came to the market, nearly double last week. 591 went under contract, rising again this week as 1,208 moved to pending, a healthy rise over last week. 1,185 sold at 8 median days on the market before contract, while holding steady at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Bethesda's English Market for $3,900,000. Rentals available fell to 1,690 units, available at $2,200 per month, and leasing in 28 days. What's on your mind about our local market? Message me your questions. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, April 21st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend and celebrate our planet by taking action to make a difference daily. Cheers.